Hello guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Only 5 days ago we posted a video about building a gaming PC with an Intel i9 9900K CPU and a Radeon RX 570 GPU. If you've not watched the video yet, the link is in the description. Please go check it out. I hope you like that. This was a lot of fun and learning. Playing on the new PC was even more thrilling. The boot was fast, the games were great, or at least that's what I felt until we ran a benchmark test on the new system. After I ran the test, I realized that the GPU could have done a whole lot better. In case you were wondering what a benchmark tests are, these are standard set of tests that are used to compare performances of CPUs and GPUs. Some of these tests are Cinebench and 3D Mark. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. The first thing you want to do after you build your PC is to run a benchmark test. This can save you a lot of time later trying to figure out problems. Stick around to find out how this helped me and how it could help you. So installing Cinebench is pretty easy. I'm using a Windows 10, and I went onto the Microsoft Store and I just searched up Cinebench, and it just pops right up and you install. It's pretty much that easy. You'd probably just find it in an app store, or you could probably try to go online and find it at maxon.com or something. So that's just a very simple way of installing that. My scores for Cinebench were really good. I would say it was right under the big, fat, big boy server chips, which has the Intel Xeon and the Ryzen Threadripper. Ryzen Threadripper was like 16 cores, and the Intel Xeon was like 48 cores. And yeah, I'm really happy with my scores. So after you run a test on 3D Mark for your GPU, you can go on to 3dmark.com to see other results for other systems. Once you arrive at 3dmark.com, click the top menu that's labeled Results. Then you can enter some information about your system and hit the search button for other results. Then it'll direct you to a page that will show other systems with the same CPU and GPU as you, and it'll show some scores from those systems. The circle thing on the screen is my first 3D Mark test, and it was a very sad score for me. I already knew I had a defective GPU, the fans weren't running, but sometimes defective things are not visible. It could be within the GPU. So best is you run a test and then you compare it with others like how I'm doing right now. So I ran another 3D Mark test with my replacement GPU, which actually had working fans. And this time, guys, I got an amount shy over 4,000. And guys, this is a lot, I mean a lot of improvement compared to my 1,600. Running one benchmark test showed me how defective this part was. This may be one reason why you might want to run a test on your GPU. The newer GPU had a Samsung microchip in it, and I don't know if that helped the performance, but it was different. And then the other one had a different microchip in it, it's circled in green.